Today's video is a must-watch for you. We're going to walk you through each step to set up ExpressVPN on your Windows PC. Please note that this video guide works for Windows 7, 8, and 10. If you're running an older version, it's really time to update. Ready to get started? Click on the link below and sign up for ExpressVPN. Sign in and head over to your dashboard. You'll want to click on Download for Windows. ExpressVPN requires an activation code, which you can copy from the Set Up Your Device section. You'll need this code for later, so don't copy anything until you need to paste in this code. When your app download is complete, install the app and paste in your activation code before clicking the Continue button. If you got this far, you have the VPN installed and can begin using it already. Pretty simple, right? Now, I want to go over the plethora of settings that you can change to make your VPN more secure. If you can, open up your app and locate the three dots to the right of the Smart Location. This is how you'll be able to change servers of ExpressVPN. You can also double-click the location to view all of the servers. You'll notice a Recommended and All Locations tab. These are pretty self-explanatory, and you can even use the top search field to narrow down your options to specific server locations. Disconnect and go to the main screen where you saw Smart Location earlier. On the top left, you'll notice the three lines called the hamburger menu. Click on the menu, and you'll see that there is an option to test your speeds, but I want you to click on Options. This is where you'll be able to adjust the advanced settings of ExpressVPN. If you're not tech savvy, don't worry, none of these settings will mess up your system. You'll see 6 tables pop up: General, Account, Protocol, Shortcuts, Browsers, and Advanced. On the General tab, you can choose to launch the app on startup and even connect to the last location that you were on when launched. These settings are good if you always want to connect to a VPN when you're on your PC. If you're streaming occasionally, you can leave these settings unchecked. But there are a few options I recommend spending some time on. Network lock settings should all be checked. And under split tunneling, click on Setting. This is really important if you want to divide your internet traffic. You can use your VPN traffic on Chrome and your regular traffic on Firefox, for example. Now click on Protocol. This is the tab that allows you to adjust your VPN's protocol to add speed or security. Protocol is set to automatic by default, and this is the setting that 99% of users will want to leave their VPN set to. You can opt to switch to Lightway, which is a good choice, and a protocol made by ExpressVPN, OpenVPN UDP or TCP, IKEv2, or L2TP/IPsec. Normally, you'll want to choose between Lightway and OpenVPN. The rest of the protocols are outdated, although they may be better for Windows XP. What I like is that ExpressVPN provides a description of each protocol so that you don't have to memorize the differences between them. For the next step, click on Shortcuts that allow you to add 5 app shortcuts right to your ExpressVPN app. Click the gray plus button to add shortcuts. I add all my browsers here for easy access. Finally, click on the Advanced tab. You'll find most settings are not important, but you can mask your IPv6 address by clicking the Prevent IPv6 Address Detection While Connected checkbox. You can also change the app's language here. If you follow the steps above, you know how to maximize ExpressVPN security and secure your Windows operating system. We hope that our video helped you set up ExpressVPN on your Windows PC. If you had any issues, please mention them in the comments below, and we'll do our best to help you. We've also left a special discount link in the description below just for you. Before you click off this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video.